All right, check 1 2, check 1 2. Let's do a little bit of backtesting, and why not film it? So here we go. Here's what I'm testing. How these different reactions, what the probabilities of these reactions are off of a daily high or low, previous daily high or low. Okay. Simple as that. So let's just bang it out here. So the 30th, we talked about that. Okay, here we go. We're done the 30th. Let's go to okay, so again, the idea, we only take these signals. We only go long down here. We only go short up here. Now, how close does it have to be? That's where it gets a little tricky. This does get a little tricky when it's that close. I think we're going to stay within like 30 pips or something. What's this? Yeah, so that one's fine. So you get a color change and it just barely wicks you out. That sucks. So what day is this? The 1st? Well, we could use a reaction. That's what I was going to do, is a reaction, but I mean, it's a tough one. It worked, yes. Color change, no, you just barely got worked out. Set of tweezers, yeah, that worked well. So again, where is that? Like, I'm looking at these, okay? These 2 wicks. Boom, nice follow through. Triple tweezer, no. I mean, I had some supporting wicks here before, but in general, though. Okay, didn't get one of those in golf. Yeah, but again, this messed you up, man. Opening range breakout. I am very curious about this one. No, we're in the middle. So you gotta wait for the next one. No, it's ugly. That's your first clean one. And I think it worked. Yeah, it worked, man. Now, it was a little past when I would normally trade, but it's all good. We're just collecting data. Okay, because we have it set up. Now this gets tricky actually, because this sorry, am I blind? This is not a signal at all. Okay, I'm gonna say no signal. Okay, that's a weird day because the 5-minute candle, a huge candle in the middle of the day, or in the middle of the range. Okay, so here we go. October. There's gonna be no opening range breakout. I can already see that. Okay, because we cannot take a long this close to there. I'm trying to get an idea of if the opening range breakout's more powerful, close to the level we need. So only longing down here, only shorting up here. Okay, let's turn that off. Let's focus up here. Reactions. No, you can't call. It's not a reaction. I mean, it's nice reaction there, but no, we're supposed to be closer. We can take a color change. There's no reaction. Color change worked, but it's not close enough. I don't want to skew the data, right? I really want it to be quite clean. And this is just an inside day. There's nothing. I'm not taking trades around there. Oh, that engulfed the other day? Hold on. Yeah, it's close to the bottom of the box. Okay, this is a no trade day. Brutal. Don't like those. Okay, here we go. This is what I truly want. Sweeps the low. Can we get a frickin' applause? Look at that set of tweezers. Now, I don't like that this broke the low, but I want a CFD so the data can be off. So we just got to do what we can, man. It's not reaction, color change, tweezer. They're all the same play. No triple tweezer. That engulf failed. Okay, I'm just looking at these. Engulf's gonna get taken off soon. Oh, that's not triple tweezer, sorry. Engulf is just, I'm just saying when price closes above the last one, I can go long. But I'm gonna take engulf off soon. This is just in the middle of the weeds. Like, I want the engulf to be here. Because it'll be the same as a color change engulf. Yeah. Oh, I remembered why I don't do these, guys. Shoot. It's because... Dang it. I wonder if I can make them so they don't count these slashes. Dang. I don't want them to count the slashes. You see what I'm saying? Dang it. Why isn't that updating? Okay, friends, I'm just trying to figure something out real quick. Why this isn't updating. This is important to know. Okay, let's make sure all of these are set to accounting. There we go. Okay, so this is based on column. We just need to edit something here. Column E. Oh, this is all messed up. This is all messed up. This is all messed up. I want it to be column C. Okay. Done. I want this to be column D. Good. Alright, this is taking a little long, but that's okay. Yeah, okay. So D is correct. Can we just rename it? Okay, so then I'm just gonna make this bigger for a sec, just for a sec. Oh, that did not work. Okay, whatever. So then column E is tweezers. Let's see if this is showing me column E. Yep, perfect. Tweezers. I just want this to all be set up properly. So then I want this to be column F. Wait. Oh, G in golf? Okay, that's fine. Shoot. Okay. All right. I can't do all the rest yet. Okay, I can. I think I'm taking away in golf. Let's just take away in golf, okay? Because I don't want to be taking these in the middle. It's going to be a color change if it's in golf. Yeah, I'm making some decisions on the flyer, so I want that to be column G. I want this column G. Oh, for frick's sakes. Okay, so you just take this, copy this. If you're not an Excel guy, I'm not. I just kind of learned how to do this. Change that to G. G, okay. Track me. Opening range breakout. Oh my gosh. Here's what I'm going to do. Copy chart. Paste the chart. Delete the chart. This is just how I've learned how to do Excel. You guys might want to fast forward some of this stuff once. Okay. Change this to G. Okay. No, what the frick, man? Yeah, it's be G. Why is this one E? Frickin' heck. E. Yeah, is this tracking E? Yeah. What's this one? G. Okay. G. Is this G? Yeah. Why am I... Guys, you understand? It shouldn't be 72%. It's 100% right now. Currently. What are we missing here? Guys. Oh. It's tracking the slashes. Let's try this again. Make sure they're all counting. Accounting. I already did that. Oh shoot, I don't want the date to be that. This is important. I mean, how do you set up your... I'm gonna freaking kill somebody. Why is this not going to accounting? Let's keep flipping it back. Accounting. Why is it tracking the slashes? I want to be able to see everything here. Guess we can't have the slashes, boys and girls. Let's see if this changes the reaction. No, see, that's working. Whatever. It doesn't like him, it doesn't like him, it's all good. Alright, for whatever reason the open range breakout thinks that a slash is negative. Huh. pie chart. Okay. Well, that was a nice little side thing, but it's important to know how to set up your, just to make it really easy to see what's going on. So tweezers winning or opening range breakout. I want to get some good data. Okay, triple tweezer, don't see anything. Opening range breakout. Nope, not allowed to take it. Okay, let's move on. Ooh, this is very nice. 635, that's what I call a reaction. I'm also taking note of the pre-market here. It sounds like pre-market, I just took a pre-market loss today, and it might not be ideal. Reaction, heck yeah. It's also a color change. See, this is where I want to track in golf. That's an in golf I like the look of. But we can also call that triple tweezer. That's not a tweezer though, because like these are just the words I'm using, but it's 3 wicks is what I'm kind of, that's the phrasing. I can call it triple wick. Triple wick. That's the idea. That's 15 minutes of price action on the 1 minute that, you know, didn't crack it. Opening range breakout. This is where we're going to get an opening range breakout. Dude, I'm actually stoked to see if this wins. Holy crap. It's at 100% batting average so far. So far. Right? So, price opened and closed outside the 5-minute range. In the right area. Now, you know what I'm really curious about? But this is too bad. September 25th. It's hard for me to even explain what I'm looking for. I wanted to see if the just closing outside worked. Yeah, it did there. What about, I don't think I can get that. Whatever. So I used to do the play where I just waited for the 5-minute candle to close outside, and I would take it. But then I changed it to opening and closing. Shout out to my brother-in-law Aaron if he's watching one day. It was his idea, and I was like, it is a little more consistent. You'll miss some trades, but it is a little more consistent if you wait for price to open and close outside the 5-minute range. Saves you from the fake out. Okay, what do we got here? October 4th. Okay, so that was awesome. I think there's something here, guys. Just taking them around these levels. Okay. Okay, so we're in the middle. We're not taking anything in the middle. Like, there's no trade we can take right now. I'm just watching these, just observing. Cool. Later in the day. No trade. So that was October 7th. It's a tough one. It's near the bottom of the range, but it's not at that level. No, I think we gotta create a 30 pip rule. It's not there. Now, this one worked, but that would be hard for me not to take the trade for 2 days. Worth noting. That would be hard, man. Pre-market, not taking that. which it would have worked. But I think I need to keep this factual. No pre-market trade. I just want to watch them. I've seen a number of fake outs now. Sure, that one worked. But frick that. Oh guys, I never added one for hammer candles. Oh my gosh. I know it seems crazy, but I want to know. Let me call mine bottle rockets. Yeah. Just the 9th. Oh, well, no, that one didn't work. I might call it a triple tweezer. No, okay, oh well. Reaction. No, we didn't have a reaction there. Do we have a color change? Yeah, but oh, that is the ugliest color change ever. That's okay. No. Yeah. Okay. Man, backtesting can be boring sometimes. No, it's too far from it. Which means there's no trade. Too bad. This is why I need the data. It'll be just come known that lots of days don't have signals, which is going to be tough for me, so I'm not sure this is going to work out. It's a long-term play. You don't know if you don't collect the data. Oh, sorry, there's no reaction. Color change, yeah. Tweezer, no. Triple wick. I guess. Opening range breakout, no. Bottle rocket, no. Okay, keep going. Oh, this day's gonna be ugly, I can just tell. Look at this. This will be an ugly day. Shoot. Oh, this is why I gotta take note. That's what backtesting is. Maybe I'll find out this is garbage. I don't know. I mean, tweezers have been pretty good. I didn't get any signals there, but okay. Definitely a reaction did not work. I don't see any of the others. Okay, next day, maybe just a rough patch. I don't think this is close enough to the bottom. Nope. Too bad. Otherwise, you get to get color change. October 15th. There's no trades this day. Oh my gosh. You know what I'm gonna end up having to do is take note of, like, even though this is the true bottom, like, there's a lot of reaction around here. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to loosen up the parameters there. Okay, here we go. 16th. Oof. Yeah, it's Perfect. Heck yeah, there's a reaction. Beautiful. That's kind of what I want to screenshot. Like, I want my brain to like really catch on to this and know with confidence. This is killer. But yeah, you go a lot of days with no trades with this signal. Okay, oh, also, you know it's gonna work. Alright guys, this is gonna kill me. I need to know. Let's see if I can get all the way as far back as I can. I have to know this, but I might have lost the data. Oh, I can go... Oh, sick. Okay. October 16th. Or sorry, September 16th. What? The reason I'm confused and just pausing is because I tracked an opening range breakout play on September 16th. That is not accurate. Oh, I'm sorry. We're only allowed to look for shorts. Okay, so when did the red candle right here? Okay, yes, it did work. My apologies. I was really tripping. So the question was if I want to know if it just closed outside. No, you would have lost. Sorry, I know this is tough. I just need to know the data. I'm a little bit obsessive. So 17, 18, 19 for the 19th. I just want to know. The 19th. Yeah, that would have worked. Okay. So 19th. Yeah, that would have worked. $25th. So if you're confused, I just added a column. I want to know when price simply closes outside, if that'll work as well. And that's it for now. And then October 4th. Okay. Yeah, holy crap. That worked as well. Interesting. Yeah, okay. What time is it? Okay, I gotta go downstairs soon. Alright, a few more for Dougie. So, same thing. This worked. But I guess it's that next one there. Okay, we're good. So a few more here. Okay, so we're only looking for shorts. This did not work. Close only. What about an opening close? also lost. Okay, cool. What day is this? 17th. Reaction, no. Color change. Oh, shoot. Yeah, it did. Only thing promising right now is tweezers and the opening range breakout. Okay, this one's tricky. No, not really. I told her we gotta loosen up the parameters here. So we're 30 pips away. Okay. So that is exactly what I'm talking about on a triple tweezer. Some of the other triple tweezers, that can be a tweezer and a triple tweezer. Yeah, some of the other ones I tracked a little funny. This is just kind of what I want to see with like a whole bunch of wicks. Okay. So that would be, sorry, October is the 18th. Make sure it's not a weekend jump. Okay. Reaction. No, it's not a reaction. Color change. Yeah. So it wouldn't be these ones. It's 50 pips away. Let's just see if it was hitting anything. Oh, freaking right. Yeah, I probably would have took that. Yeah, probably would have took that. Yeah, let's track a bottle rocket. Okay, so did the opening range breakout work? No, because here's the thing. This is the, look how, it took almost yesterday's whole range in the 5-minute candle, so we can't take its signal up here. Okay. Ooh, look at that reaction though. That's sick. That's awesome. Look at that reaction. But see, I don't know if I'm tracking the other side now. I did it over here. I tracked the double side. I guess we could do two. Yeah, nice reaction. And it was a color change. Look at this. That's awesome, man. Okay. We should stop, but oh, that's so beautiful. That's awesome. You know what's hard about backtesting? You can get into one patch that's rough, and you can kind of be like, frick it. But then, you can get a stretch like this, and you just gotta trust the overall numbers. I mean, yeah, opening range breakout's not happening very often, but it looks like it's a powerful signal so far. This can change so fast. You don't have many trades. It can look amazing, and then all of a sudden it changes. I don't see any tweezers, but I think the opening range breakout's gonna work. Holy crap. Yeah. That's having a good run so far. Oh, it's time I gotta go downstairs. Got a family to help out with here. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Chopper wick. No, not really. I mean, yeah, maybe there. Okay, so then it came down to the other side again. Wow. Oh yeah, and this once again worked. Wait. Wait, what's happening here? Oh, I already did that. I see. Yeah, that worked as well. 3. So This one's just slight. Oh, this one's better by 2. Wait, what? You're up 3%. You're up 5%. Wow. This is data, guys. I don't know how else you trade. You need some data. Right? Like, wow. Triple wick. Triple wick's hard because there's so many variations of what they look like, and I'm recording all of them. Oh snap! We might have our first loss here on opening range breakout. Not first loss. I'm sorry. That'd be the first good candle. Just gonna record it while I have it. That's a killer bottle rocket. So, no reaction, color change. Oh, tweezers actually. Yeah, that actually worked. Could have been called a triple wick as well. Okay, I gotta go, but I just want to see this data. It's pre-market, we don't take that. Bottle rocket, you barely would have got wicked out. There's no reaction. There is. Course. Where's that ORBO? Okay, we're going through a rough patch on this. That one actually won. Gotta stop this. Oh, there's no trade this day. We're not close enough. Well, there would be at 9:10, but I don't stick around that long. Alright, let's do this last day. I know this video can be a little boring, but this is, you gotta collect data. Oh no, it's not a reaction, it's a color change. It's not, yeah, well the second one I guess is the tweezer. There's no RRBO. Nope, I can just tell. No bottle rockets. Well, that's kind of a sure. This one right here. Okay, we gotta call it a day. Well, folks, so far, my big old head out of the way. It's showing not too bad. Tweezers is about 80% in that stretch. ORBO just had a couple rough trades, 66%. Reaction color change, just right around where my other trading is. That color change was higher. Dude, tweezers. I haven't seen this theme very regularly. But it takes a lot of patience to wait for those. Look at this. You didn't get one forever. But what do you got? Yeah, okay. Hey, this was valuable for me. I hope it brought you value. Peace out.